Hello everyone, today I will be explaining conditional statements. In conditional statements there is if, else, else if, and switch. For if statement, use the if statement to specify a block of JavaScript code to be executed if a condition is true. This is the syntax. Therefore, if the condition is true, the block of code will be executed. Else statement. Use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. Therefore, if the condition is false, else will be executed. Else if statement. Use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. This is the syntax. In this case, there's usually two or more conditions. Therefore, if the first one is false, therefore the second one will be checked, and the third and the fourth. If they're all are false, then else will be executed. For a switch statement, use the switch statement to select one of the many code blocks to be executed. This is the syntax. How it works is, the switch expression is evaluated once, the value of the expression is compared with the values of each case, and then if there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break keyword, it breaks out the switch block, therefore the execution will be stopped. Default keyword, when there is no case match, the default code will be executed. This is an example of if-else statement. In this question, they want us to display good morning when the input time is less than 10, good day if the input time is less than 20, and good evening otherwise. This is the code to display good morning if the time is less than 10. This is the code for good day if the time is less than 20, and otherwise display. When we put 8, the output will be good morning, 15 it will be good day, 22 it will be good evening.
Hi guys, okay, this will be our second example for our tutorial on if-else statement. As you see in our first if-else statement, here is our second if-else statement. This one, where the condition is again in the column here. So if you see to the right side of the screen, there is a column where the user can enter a letter. Here it says the user can either enter A, B, C, D, or E. For example, if the user entered A, it will come that the user is way off. So way off here is under else. And if the user entered B, it will show that he's close, but not close enough. This is for B or D. If the user entered B or D, it will come out this. But if the user entered C, if the letter is C, here, it will show a result showing that spot on, good job, which here is the text that we input. That's all guys for our tutorial on if-else statement. We'll proceed to our next tutorial.
Okay, hi guys, I will be showing you the example of switch case statement. So as you can see here, it says the user have to put whether banana, watermelon or apple to see if you have the same favorite fruit. So if the user input banana, it says me too. And if the user input watermelon, it will say I am not a fan of that. And same as apple, an apple day keeps the doctor away. So what is default? Default happens when the user inputs neither of these cases. So if we put, okay, for example, if we put tomato, it will say I've never heard of that default. Okay, that's all from me of switch case example. Thank you guys.
Hello guys, my name is Amirul, and now I'm going to show you what is switch and all of this. Okay, so switch is to execute a block of code depending on different cases. And the switch statement is often used together with a break or default keyword, as you can see here. Break and default. Okay, so let me explain to you what is case and break and default. Okay. So as you can see here, if you enter uppercase Y or lowercase y, the output will be this. And the break is to stop the execution of the code. Meaning if you want to start a new code, you have to put break. And now, let me try the Y one. Okay. See, put Y, this will be the output. And if you put lowercase y, also, yeah, this will be this output. Now we try with n. So if you see here, if you put n, the output will be this. So let's try. Yes, it works. Okay, and lastly is default. Default is if it's not y or n, we have to put default here, and this will be the output. So let's try put an x. See. So that's all for me. Thank you so much. See you guys.